So, anyways, I'm trying to unbox this fucking keyboard, which is it is the MageGee. I don't know how to say it. MageGee, bro. It actually looks good, bro. It looks good, bro. It feels good. Feels heavy, and this is it. This is the keyboard. It's not noisy like the blue keys. I bought the red switches. Yeah. Yeah, that's the sound. That's the sound. Yeah, that's it. That's the sound. That's it. That's the sound. First impressions. I think it's great. How much is this? This is just $20. There's the instructions. I should plug this in. Wait. Yeah, it's working. That's. I can now remove this. So I'll go to the instructions. How the fuck do I use the colors? I don't like this. I don't like the breathing pattern. I like solid color. But I don't want that. I want. Wait, can't you actually change the brightness? Oh, this is it. Okay, let's go. It's the arrow keys, guys. I saw the symbol. Yeah. So that's the keyboard test. Yeah, bye.